Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a night POV drive in this 2021 Nissan Armada Platinum. As always, these night POV drives, we do test the headlights, the high beams, and we're going to take a launch just to see how quickly it accelerates. And also, as always, while you see a little walk around this Armada during daytime, because obviously you can't see that much right now if I were to step out. I always do a full review about this Armada, so if you want to know all my thoughts about the interior, the exterior, the engine, and everything regarding this car and how it drives, well, truck kind of in this case, make sure to click in the top right hand corner and find my full review. With that being said, let's put it into drive and start driving. Seven-speed automatic, 5.7 liter, it's 5.6 liter, pardon me. V8, naturally aspirated, 400 horsepower, and 413 pound-feet of torque, if I'm not mistaken. Four-wheel drive, obviously. We can select between auto, too high, and too low. We can't manually select too high, but that's fine, I think. And there's a lot of updates to this. We also have, obviously, LED headlights and LED high beams. I don't know if that translates on video, but it's a little bit of a hazy night because of smoke from wildfires coming over. It's not too bad, we can still see very much, but these high beams might just be a little more hazy than they would usually be when we do these night POV drives. Automatic high beams are on, so you can already see how it turns them off as soon as we approach this parked car here on the right, the CRV. And we're just going to take a little drive. But as these POV drives, I not only want to show you how it is to drive it from the first person perspective, I want to give you a chance as well to hear how it is to drive it. So I'm just going to be quiet for a few seconds and up to a minute, just for you to be able to take in the sounds and the sights. It's nice and quick when turning off the headlights. We also have another little trick here, as you can see right now. Well, you probably can't see anything through the mirror because it's set up from my eyes and you're sitting on my forehead. But if I'm switching this around, we now have a digital screen, well, a digital camera in the back. Obviously, you can't see that much right now because it's pretty dark out there. But that kind of gives you a wider field of view. You can actually set up where the position of this. So the angle, basically, you can set it higher, lower, more left to the right. You can rotate a bit this camera angle, which is pretty nice. So you can really find the perfect spot for you. At the beginning, when I came into the car with this Armada, it was very low, so I basically saw the ground about 50 feet behind me. That wasn't really that helpful. But now set up properly is really nice, especially in a little more lit up areas. You do see a lot, and generally see more than with your naked eyes. Hear the V8, and I'm really liking how fast this Armada dims down its high beams whenever it detects a car ahead and turns the high beams on again. Really doing a good job with this assist so far. We also have a highway POV drive where we test the cruise control and available lane keep assist, if available, if equipped. This one has it, just because sometimes cars don't have it, so we can't really test it. So these are also for you available in the top right hand corner or in the description below, in case I forget to put it in the top right hand corner, because I'm probably editing this video in like 2 or 3 weeks, so I might forget to put something in the middle of the video, just so you know. But we're almost at the point where we do want to make the launch. God, I love V8s. Just sounds good. Smooth power delivery, and it's just, I love V8s. Turn off the high beams because I don't like to be blind, and turn them back on again. Can do some comparisons. Once again, high beams off, high beams on, high beams off, and high beams on. Illuminate the road ahead pretty well, I think. Okay, let's start getting ready for the launch. Let's leave it in auto for now. Do want to turn traction control off though. One quick button press, and that's all that is needed. As far as I'm aware, we do not have a sport mode. I just picked this car up today, so I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure we don't have it. If we have it, I'll put it in the text here. And yeah, we're just going to drive a little more up ahead this road, and then we're going to do the launch. Curious how quick it is. I have not launched this or really accelerated much at all so far. Okay, there's our stretch road. We'll make sure there's a little reflection on the road. Yep, there's an animal. Might have to abort this. What are you? Is that a deer or is that a hare? Let's drive a little more up the road. This is the best area because we can see pretty well. But I just always want to make sure we don't have any animals on the road. Also, while we come to a stop, give a quick look at the interior. Brown interior, 3 rows, quilted seats, wide, and we got wood obviously. Pretty nice overall. But more on that in the review. So, let's brake torquer. Okay. Woohoo! Okay. Okay. Yeah, that was a lot quicker than I expected. Not bad. Okay. Especially like it held the revs pretty good at 2000 and they go real good. That was nice. And of course, listen to the V8 revving. Always love that. Like I said, I love V8s. Okay, and then we do another test here, which is basically drive like someone shouldn't drive, which is turn in and accelerate fully. There we go. we did go into the suspension a lot there. But it was pretty stable, but that's because we don't have too high, right? If we had too high, we'd have probably stood the back around a little. Turn on traction control again. There we go. But yeah, because we cannot select too high, it automatically sends some power to the front wheels, right? Because it detects slip, and we're definitely overloading the wheels. And at some point, as you probably noticed, kind of started going a lot into the right-hand side suspension, started to understeer. But once it kind of caught itself, it started going straight again. The reason why we do this test is just because that's the best corner I have to safely test. Like, it's better in cars for like either front or rear wheel drive, right? Not all wheel drive, because it allows you to test, how the differentials work and all that. Even with these kind of trucks, with four wheel drive trucks, we can still see. For example, we noticed something about the suspension. Is that how you will drive this Armada? Nope, not really. I don't think so. But doesn't hurt trying it, right? Alright, that means we are also at the end of this POV drive. I'm just going to turn left back here into the parking lot. When I was here and setting up, it really smelled like skunk, so I hope it doesn't anymore, but it probably still will, so that'll be nice. But yeah, that's a POV drive in the 2021 Nissan Armada Platinum. Once again, let's take a quick look at the interior. You probably won't be able to see that much. Like I said, more on that in the full review. Let's take a look at the exterior here real quick, and the lights we have. Alright, this little step. No, it doesn't smell like skunk anymore. That's good. These are LED headlights. Of course, like I said, redesigned for 2021. I am absolutely blind now because I looked right into them. And then we have here our taillights on our rear. Yeah, that concludes the drive. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the full review, it's on the right hand side right now. And we got probably some other video down the bottom right. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for that, just to get the top left hand corner to not miss a video anymore. And yeah, I hope you liked it. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.